moms! Hushed face struggling with breastfeeding? Here are 5 quick tips to make it easier. Baby bottle. Keycap 1. Start early. Try to breastfeed within the first hour after birth. It boosts bonding and milk supply. Breastfeeding. Keycap 2. Check the latch. A deep, proper latch means less pain and more milk for baby. Relieved face. Keycap 3. Stay hydrated, drink lots of water droplet and eat healthy to keep your milk flowing. Keycap 4. Feed on demand, don't watch the clock. If baby's hungry, feed them. Alarm clock. Right arrow baby. Keycap 5. Ask for help, don't be shy. Lactation consultants can make a big difference. Stethoscope. You're doing amazing, mama. Flex biceps, like and follow for more baby care tips. Sparkling heart.